Hello everyone, my name is Promise Bates. I have been on this space for quite a while now. I've been dropping some short form videos and I've been getting requests to do a practical demonstration and apply some of these skills so that we can see. I just produced a short demo titled My Worship by Phil Thompson. So I just skipped to the chorus where I will just do the practical demonstration and fix some of these skills into the song. Then thereafter, I will do a practical demonstration. So if you are a bassist, and if you're interested in this on how to play worship songs here and there and all these other licks that you can add to your day-to-day playing, so stay on this video from beginning to the end and you shall be blessed. Without wasting time, let's get right into it. Okay, during the song I played certain things and there are three things to note. Number one, as a good bassist, you need a good drummer alongside. It is non-negotiable. You will just keep flopping up if your drummer is not strong. That is why I purposely sequenced that drum to do this demonstration. That's one. And number two, you must understand short licks. I mean short passive notes. They create an ambience. If you notice, there was a part where I was approaching La. I just did, which is, where did I play? Re, mi, sol, la, do, sol, la, re, mi, la, ti, la. It is not too long and it is not distracting. That's another thing. You are a bassist, you are not a guitarist. So take notes. So doing too much may spoil the music. Then number three, understand how to bounce your notes according to the kick. If you notice, the kick started, bah, bah. That is the job of a bassist. That's why a bassist and a drummer plays key role in every production. Now, the last thing is to understand where to fix your arpeggios. It can't fall into every category or it won't fall into every place in the progression. But there are certain places where you put them and they will just create that good sound that you wanted. For example, in this song, it is a La. The La, if you explore the La, it will just make more sense. Those places are good. And then your Fa. I played I will not be silent. I will always worship you as long as I am breathing. The first one. I will. See that one? I just went straight to the Fa. Mi, fa, la, do, mi, fa, la, do, la, fa, re. Mi, fa, la, do, mi, fa, la, do, la, fa, re. Then you just marry it into the progression. Okay, there's the last scale I played. It was just spontaneous. You understand? There are certain things you play is unplanned for because of your level of professionalism. As you are growing, you really do not have to rehearse some of these things. It will just fall into category. What you need first is private practice. Private practice. So let me just sing and just re-explore that part again. I will not be silent. I will always worship you. Let's go. This one is too long. So let's break it down again. Okay, let's fix it in again. As long as how your song is on now, it will make more sense. There are many approaches you can give to that part. There are many stuff you can give to the part. So that is it. I hope you learned something short from this tutorial. Now, lastly, I'll be doing a TikTok live section. But that can only work if I get a request in the comment section of this particular video, because you can't do a live session where there are no people watching it. There must be people that are watching the live sessions where I will bring in bases from any part of the world, where we ask questions real time, face to face, live. You ask questions, we answer, you ask things, I also ask, I learn from you, you learn from me, and I think that session will be a good section. So if you're interested, please put it in the comment section, I am interested. Then we'll fix the time, I'll post it. Then when it's time, we'll all come live and come with your bass guitar, then we'll explore. God bless you. I'll see you around. Thank you.